So this is how to transfer money to another account. So let's start. For the first step, make sure to log in to your Chase for Business account online. After that, go to Pay and Transfer section on the top navigation bar. Now you need to click on Add Recipient under the Wire and Global Transfer section. Now enter the bank routing number, ABA. Once done, make sure to enter your account number, which you can find in both the web app and the mobile app. Please note that Chase does not allow you to copy and paste, so you will need to type it in this value. For the next step, make sure to enter the appropriate information in the following fields. Add an intermediary bank, message to recipient bank, and the recipient information. Once all is entered, make sure to add your account as the recipient. Now you will then be prompted to schedule the transfer, so make sure to enter the appropriate information in the following fields. And lastly, make sure to select next and your money will be on its way to your account. Remember, cutoffs are important, so send this early during the business day. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.